Hi, let's start with the bell ringer. We need to find the perimeter and area of rectangle ABCD. The formula for finding area is base times height. The process for finding perimeter is just to add all the sides. So for both of these, we're going to need to figure out the side lengths of our rectangle. For this problem, all we need to do is count the boxes. Our base is 10, our height is 5. So let's calculate the area, and let's calculate the perimeter. So the area of our rectangle is 50 square units. The perimeter of our rectangle is 30 units. Let's look at our notes. Our objective today, I will be able to find the area of quadrilaterals on the coordinate plane. Our first shape is the parallelogram. So the formula for finding the area of parallelogram is area is base times height. So we need to figure out the base, and we need to figure out the perpendicular height. Our base is 12 units. Our height is also 12 units. So to find the area, we just multiply. Our area is 144 square units. To find the perimeter, we need to add all the sides. We know two of the sides. We need to figure out the sides that are slanted. To do that, we're going to use the Pythagorean theorem, or the distance formula. I needed to find my right triangle My right triangle has one leg that's 5 and another leg of 12. So now we can do the Pythagorean theorem to find that slanted side length. We get that that slanted side length is 13 units. So we'll get the perimeter by adding up the green sides and the pink sides. To summarize, our perimeter is 50 units. Our area is 144 square units. Our next problem is to find the area and perimeter of the isosceles trapezoid. Since it's isosceles, we know that two of the legs are congruent, so that will reduce the amount of work we have to do when finding the perimeter. But let's find the area first. In order to find area, we need to know the height and the length of the two bases. The bottom base has a length of 20. The top base has a length of 4. Our height is 15 units. Let's use these to figure out the area of our trapezoid. Our area is 180 square units. Our next job is to find the length of those two congruent legs. Just like we did in the problem above, we're going to use the Pythagorean theorem to find our missing side length. For our right triangle, we're going to use that one of our legs is 8 and the other leg is 15. So we found that each leg is 17 units. To find the perimeter, we need to add up all of the outside sides. We find that the perimeter is 58 units. So to summarize, perimeter is 58 units, the area is 180 square units. Let's try the application problem. I'll give you a moment to read. Since we're talking about repaving, this is an area problem. So basically our first job is to find the area of the trapezoid. All of our information is given. So we'll use these we'll use these numbers in our formula. So we get the area of our trapezoidal parking lot is 4,272 square feet. The next thing we need to do is to figure out how much to budget to repair this pavement. The hint that we're given is that each square foot will cost $12. So basically, to find the cost, we need to multiply the area by 12. So our cost will be $51,264. Give the U-try a shot. When you finish, unpause the video to check your answer. Please make sure that you pick up an assignment that will be collected tomorrow.